It's Saturday morning and we're going to the park and do a jogging. So let's go with us. With Madison! It's a sunny
Die.
It's a sunny day. Let's go to the park? Yes? Maddie, where are we going? To the park. Are you excited? Okay. Say hi, Ate Joanne. Hi. Going to the park. Jogging. Tanggal lang. Mga fats mo dyan kasi mga payat na tayo eh. Almost there. Plain talaga dito yung mga nagbabike. Yung mga scooter. It's a park! Yay! You happy? Aba. Happy? Okay. Okay. Yay! Finally, we're here na at the park. Say hi. Slides. Are you happy? Huh? Yes? Okay. Oh. Let's go jog na. Mama will gonna jog. Okay? Huh? We're gonna jog for 5 kilometers. You hear that sound coming from the birds? Yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, and there's a lot of birds here, right? Are you happy? You hear that beautiful sound?
Oh.
Yeah, see? 3 km na. Happy? You happy, Madi? Madi, you happy?
Say yay!
Pagod.
Madi naman. Madi's turn.
Madi. Let's get yan. Remember that? Yes? Oh my God, enjoy it. Madi, peekaboo. Boo. What's this? Flower. What color is the flower? Pink. Wow. Oh, pakit mo na pakit. Smile. Do you wanna get one? Okay, Mama will give you some. Mama will give you flower. And what color is the flower?
No.
Yellow. Good job. So you have a pink flower and you have a yellow flower. Wow. Oh, you're so beautiful. Okay, we're done jogging. We're done walking. Anong masasabi mo sa walking natin sa park? Was good? Na-burn ng konti yung fats. We're going to eat to the pancake house breakfasting. Gonna eat pancake? Say hi. You say hi, anak. After jogging, dito ang bagsak namin sa pancake house. How's it? You like it? You try this one? How's it?
Good.
Yummy? Sarap ng palabok nila, te. The best.
Gagi, nagkain din. Pancake and chicken. Pilipino.